Okay, I love this tip. Let's say that you want to, you have a customer list, first of all, like this one with a customer number, name, address, etc. And out of all of this, you want to remove the name and you want to remove the phone numbers and obviously have them put side by side. There are a lot of ways to do it. You can use macros, you can do programming, but here is a cool, quick way to do it. In the upper left-hand corner of the names, see where the P is? If I click the cursor at the P, and then I press the Alt key and drag across to the end of the phone numbers, it is now highlighting this area. If I let go of the Alt key and the mouse button, and then hit the Control C to copy this, I can then move a little bit down below, then type Control V, and boom, just those pieces will have been copied. Now, using the same kind of technique, if I decide I want to remove the addresses, if I click where the 300 is and then use the Alt key and then hit the Delete key, all of this highlighted stuff in the middle will get deleted. I can then highlight all of this and hit Control Z to copy it, and then I could put it on my phone in some way. The way I typically do it is to put it in an iPhone notes file. So I have the names and phone numbers in a paste buffer, and now I have a separate window where I have my iPhone notes or my iCloud notes in a browser. And I create a new note. Then I type Control V to take all of those names and phone numbers and put them in a file. Now, the formatting's a little messy because it puts in more line feeds than it needs. But here's the important thing. If I did this from my computer and I now take a look at my iPhone, the first note in my iPhone will be this list of names. And you'll notice that the phone numbers are in a blue coloring, which means that they're clickable. If I press the phone number, notice it asks if I want to call that number. So if I wanted to call this list of phone numbers, I could do it in a minimal number of clicks while I was on the road. Now, most people who do this all the time have some kind of software that does this for them, but if you don't, this whole set of techniques is pretty cool, huh?